Hello and hello and welcome to Lahore Graphics Academy. I am Furkan and today I am going to break down the mobile app that we have been building in the class. The class that I teach is of a React Native mobile development with Expo, and I wanted to review the app so far that we've done in the class, and the theme is jewelry. So let's take a look at what we have built so far and what is about to be built in the upcoming classes. So when we start the app, this is the first page that we will see. You will be asked to either log in, register, or continue without doing any other options like continue as guest. So in this page, we have a beautiful image which can be changed in the settings, and we have a title again which can be changed in the settings. There is no logo at the moment, but in future we will add one. And there's a description. Discover more than 1200 jewelry items in our store and enjoy delivery all over Pakistan. So let's continue as guest. Obviously, when you click on login, you will be asked to log in with username and password. And if you click on register, you will be asked to register with your name, phone number, address, and so on. But I'm going to continue as guest because the other options are very simple to understand. So once you continue as guest, you will be taken to the categories page instead of home page. Now, why is that? Home page is not yet implemented because it's going to be a very much detailed page. So I'm keeping it for the later part when we will understand and create all other pages. So we will take the components of those pages or screens and implement and take and use those part in our home screen. So it's easy to implement that at the end rather than at the start, um, given that your home page is complicated. If it's simple, you can create it from the scratch as a first screen. So it makes sense to use the category page as a starting page because the user can browse through the categories that he wants to buy. And as this is an e-commerce website or e-commerce um, mobile app, so there has to be all of those features that a modern e-commerce app have. Let's see and check what's in this page at the moment. There is a navigation at the bottom, which we call as the tab navigation, and for that I am using React Navigation version 6.x, and each each tab has a specific screen. So at the moment they are not implemented. Only the home part is implemented. Cart will take you to a random screen, which is a movies screen, which I explained to the students. Helpline will take you to the links screen. Again, this was a tutorial for the class, and I just linked it to this page. It has nothing to do with this app. Both of these screens have nothing to do with this app. Similarly, the details is attached to the deals screen. All of these screens will be implemented later on in the course. Let's go back to the home screen. So that is the tab navigation. Now let's check out the drawer navigation. This is the drawer navigation, and you can see that the logo that I'm using is of a certain brand, and we have a very neat drawer navigation. We will be editing this part as per our requirement as the course progress. So just wanted to mention that it has been implemented. Now we just need to change the details, link, songs, movies, and welcome part, and that's very easy and can be done once we have the screens. So let's click on a category and see what it does. I'm going to click on bracelets, Once I clicked on bracelet, all of these data is being fetched from a server. That server is on a live server, and it is implemented in PHP. Again, during the class, it was all shown how to do that using MySQL database and PHP as a web language, and this data is being fetched from that server. So if I change the server, if I change the data on that server, the data that is being shown here will be changed as well. If I click on an image, the titles at the top, the image, the price, and the description. And below that we have two buttons, add to cart and instant purchase via WhatsApp, because in Pakistan WhatsApp is being used very frequently and almost in all of the business and e-commerce. So it makes sense to use that button on our mobile app. So far this is the project, this is the app that has been built so far in the class. So I just wanted to put a review video of that app, and hopefully the students can view it and cover all the things that are missing in their app. And if you have any kind of questions on what is being used, which or how to implement any of these, you can just leave a comment and I will be happy to answer them. So keep following us, and we will be um, patch by patch, we will be showing the video of the app that is being built in the class so far. At the end of the video, at the end of this course, we will have a complete e-commerce website, sorry, not website, mobile app in our hands, and you can use it in any other theme as well apart from the jewelry. You can use it for a shop, you can use it for shoes or anything. It's a very flexible mobile app built in React Native. So do take a look at the course outlines and let me know if you want to benefit from it. So see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.